The State Department for Correctional Services is reviewing about 200 cases within Thika Main Prison for the purpose of identifying those inmates who are eligible for community service, sentence review, as well as power of mercy orders. This is in line with the government's initiative to decongest prisons' facilities. The department's Principal Secretary, Dr. Salome Wairimu Muhia, said that the program has so far seen 4,000 inmates reduced from correction facilities across the country. She promised to forward some of the grievances by the inmates to the relevant commission so as to expedite execution of justice among those in prisons.
We are here in Thika Command. We have come to visit the prisoners as well as to inspect the projects that are ongoing, the projects that have stalled, the projects that are completed, as well as to understand the needs and the ongoings in this command to see how we can help them. And what we have established in this command, the officers are really working hard and they have done a very, very good job in terms of the rehabilitation programs, as well as improving the general outlook of this command. I'm sure you have also seen that this place is very well kept, very well landscaped. We have listened to the needs of the inmates, particularly in respect to access to justice. Some of their concerns revolve around the hearing of their cases, the timely expeditious hearing of their cases, frequent adjournment of cases, the review of bail and bond terms, the invocation of community service orders as well as probation orders. And I think us as a State Department, because we sit in the National Council on Administration of Justice, we shall be able to express these concerns to the Commission, which is the council, which is chaired by the Chief Justice. And I'm happy to report that in the last 1 year, we have worked very, very well with the Chief Justice. And because of that collaboration with the judiciary, we have seen the highest drop in terms of the absolute number of inmates ever. And because we reduced the number of inmates by 4,000, which has never happened before. I'm happy to report that already in this command alone, the probation officers have interviewed more than 200 inmates for purposes of identifying those who are eligible for community service orders, as well as sentence review orders and also for power of mercy orders.
Dr. Salome noted that plans were underway to construct extra wards for inmates in the Thika Prison facilities.
I must admit there is congestion, but we are working on it. We have a building on the other side that we hope to try and complete so that we can reduce that congestion. But it is a multi-sectoral approach that we are adopting to reduce that congestion. So we are building extra wards, and we have a master plan, a much bigger plan for addressing the state of penitentiaries in the country. But in the short term, we are really using the approach of repairing what we already have, as well as the decongestion program that we are collaborating with the judiciary. And I'm very, very happy with what the judiciary is doing, because it has been very instrumental in reducing the numbers.
The facility has also completed the construction of 60 housing units to accommodate the prison staff in Thika.
Our whole of government approach with respect to housing is bearing fruit. Already some 60 houses here in this command have been constructed, and they are ready for handing over for the staff, so that we can reduce the number of staff that stay outside the station in line with our laws. Our laws require that all our officers stay in the station because of the nature of their work and the security level of their work.